Alright, yes sir, rise and grind. Good people, man, I'm back at y'all with another video with the Pull-Up King. In this video, we got the 2010 Mercedes-Benz C300. This is a luxury V6. I'm gonna do the oil change on it. Replace the oil in the filter. Show you how we gonna do that. Let's get it.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting. On that leaning, that's why I ain't focused.
My wraps. Alright, we're gonna get up under here. I'm gonna show you this skid plate, what we need to do to get to the drain bolt. Alright, this whole skid plate need to come up out of here. We got these bolts here, 8 mil. Gotta get these out. They all back here. I'll show you what it look like. That's one portion of it. That's the front part. And get the other one out. Show you all the screws that need to be up undone. Okay, so they're looking like about 12 of them. Alright, that's the oil pan. Drain plug. I like this little container here. I ain't gotta worry about pouring anything afterwards. While I'm up under here, before I leave, I'm gonna notate that oil around the oil pan. Not sure where it's coming from, but yeah. Yep, been leaking. I can notate everything I see. Alright, we got that skid plate back up. Go ahead and remove this here and get to that oil filter. That's your oil filter. I'll twist that off. Filter, this is the filter pliers that I'm using. Just want to grip it. Sometimes you can't get it without it. Some you can just do it with your hand, but it get tight sometimes. You want to get you a rag. Make sure you catch the oil that's going to leak. Got our filter out. That's the part number. Got your seals. I'm gonna replace all of the seals. I'm gonna show you. All of those need to be replaced. Alright, that's one seal there. Got another here. Another at the top. Gotta get them all. New seals installed. Filter. And reinstall. Ready, oil, look up your oil, and they'll let you know in your manual. Part store, they'll let you know what kind, what weight, and the filter information as well. Now we can go ahead and add. It's going to be 6 quarts, 5.5. I'm going to start with 5 quarts. Go ahead and start it up. Rev that engine up for a few seconds, build that oil pressure, and check the oil level, and add more if needed.